Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device, so basically how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Of course, under it we've got whole Google section, and we can add or remove Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts. So let's tap on add account here, choose Google, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, we do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, our Google account has been immediately added to this section. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account and tap on remove account again. Just wait a second. And as you can see, we just got back to the users and accounts. And we do not have our account here, which simply means that we just successfully removed it. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.